Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to add music in WhatsApp status. As of WhatsApp does not directly support adding music to status photos. However, you can create a video with music using a third-party app and then upload it as a status. And here's how you can do it. First, launch your Snapchat app and then start recording. And after that, we could see the sound option just above. Tap on the music over here and search for the music that you want to put and simply tap on the music like this. And when you're done, on the bottom you could see there's a save icon. Tap on the save and tap on the save to memories and camera roll. Now it's saving. Go back, open your WhatsApp. What you have to do is tap on the bottom updates over here and select my status and simply select the video and upload it. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.